Hey guys, Tornado Truck 1. Tornado Truck 1 and I were out fishing, and we were just coming back, and you can see we got cell storm. We got cells like a big old storm cell just came out of the area. You can see right back in there. We got some activity coming from the clouds right there. And then you can see over here, it is just getting solid black. Like, it's starting to come in. And you can see right behind, back in there, heavy rain. Tornado Truck 1 with his light bar on for safety. And it's getting pretty crazy right in here. This is what we're walking for right here. You can see how wide it is. It is really... Look at that. Wow. She's coming in. Look at that. Oh, there. Look at that. She's coming in. Big storm coming in.